Because of that day. Because of that day.
He go chuck you.
Because I will.
Okay, make it from Nanya.
Yes.
He says, Olamide and Fini just stand up go sing that thing for nothing. Something happened to them. Police stopped them for road one day. When they slapped them too, their eyes shine. Olamide shout, hey, Fino, I can make it from Nanya. Then they enter studio, go sing the song. Anyway, now welcome back to the night show. My name is Nedu. We're not to reach ourselves quick. My name is Nedu. Underscore for Katim don't for inside studio. And IzyBeatz, the DJ of soft skills, can do.
The DJ of soft skill and hard skill.
AKA can do.
Don't ask us further questions.
So if you ask us any other question, now you sabi.
You are on your own.
Anyway,
you are sleeping on a bicycle.
We tell you now say we get radical.
77.
Seven radical.
About the first tax 77. Radical 77.
If you say na first tax can come from, we not know.
I don't know.
Or maybe na because the kind music when they sing, if na ajangbadi
or Elegushi.
Or Elegushi. Anyway, Radical 77, welcome to the Let's
Hey.
Who not they speak English here? I'm speaking with they speak.
I mean, what's with that English?
Say, tell us, here. Ask me. Talk what I talk now. Come ask me.
Nedu, welcome to the studio.
Here.
Then you go just say, hey.
Those guys, why did you say some kind girls? God know they feel answer their prayer quick. Because normally they're not the fixed to them.
But
when they come go, they call, yo God, instead of God. Oh God. I mean,
God could just sit down one place, say you never ready.
You never holla.
When you're ready, you go enter your local.
When you holla, you go be Allah about. Big body and Allah about channel me. Radical 77, welcome to the light show.
Yeah.
How you doing? What did happen?
I did okay, thank you. I did okay. I enjoy them from the beginning to this time.
You don't have to speak pidgin?
I just speak pidgin now.
No, where you from? Where you from?
Okay, I'm from Nigeria. And from Ogun State. And from where again?
Okay.
Why don't understand your own pidgin?
Yeah, my pidgin now because yeah, you know, say I know they live for
hey,
Nigeria. I don't live for
Kenya,
Nigeria since they kids.
He's talking like somebody
like,
in this
so
side
that's
of
why like my accent they mixed.
Where you come grow?
For United Kingdom.
Ask me where
so Nedu, where you come grow now?
United Kingdom. Oh my, like this English, man! Girls, they're gonna fall for you quick because see, girls they like tall, dark, and handsome, and you stand up, man.
But if girl fall, I go just help them up
now. No, you can't get 6 pack. Sit down.
You don't see I'm why they talk.
No, see, your chest come outside.
Why can't they talk like this? You never see my 6 pack now. Make you not get me into trouble.
No, you know the in no mention. Okay. What is United? United. So yo babe, what happened? Because the tea not go there. What happened? What happened? This is where yeah, hot too. Wait, what make our own AC? Get me your AC. This is where Radical talk. It make me remember one thing. When the man they travel go obodo ibo, he can't enter for inside plane. You understand? He enter inside plane. They go. People they can talk plenty now when they see you for plane. Hi, how are you? You right? You right? Then the man say, "Na go go fire me. Apa sadam kapasat." Then the woman say, what part of Africa are you from? Say, "Now from Nigeria, eastern part of the country of Nigeria." Say, hey. So, what are you going to do in America? Say, I'm going to do business. So, now the woman come. Now the woman come find trouble. The woman come go ask him. What part of America are you going to? Then the man could say, I'm going to San Jose. You know that San Jose? Then the woman could laugh. Oh my, you know, so people they laugh, they different, they divide mouth into two. Their mouth divide into two. No, it's not San Jose. It's called San Jose. Can you say it? Then the man say, San Jose. You see, the J is always silent. J, San Jose. And that is why you see Django is the G, the D is silent. You see, so J is silent. Then the man can say, oh, I want to know, I don't know, thank you. This is happened around February. Now the woman can't go look for trouble again. So make it live and there.
The Igbo man said.
Go ask him. So how long are you gonna stay? How long are you gonna stay? And the man say, well, I'm thinking I'm going to stay around 4 months. And the man goes, so when are you looking back to going back to Nigeria? So, around Hon or Holai.
San Jose things.
San Jose things. So radical, I beg, no vex, eh?
I don't go back so.
What be the real name where your mama and papa give you?
Okay, my real name na Olabode Olaonekpekun Oshoba. Yeah. You know, say Yoruba now, you go give your name plenty name. You go give your child plenty name. Your grandma, your mama go give him name. Your mama's papa go give him name.
Yes.
Everybody, even your pikin first one go give him name. So I get plenty one. Olabode. Olaonekpekun.
Olaonekpekun.
The my surname is Oshoba.
Oshoba.
Yeah, Oshoba, yeah.
Oshoba. Good. I like this guy accent, man. If you talk like this, my brother, you go enter bank. Speak for them. Work from United Kingdom.
Everybody go just
Jesus, give them money.
Give them
any money.
Come into my
Where you come from again? United Kingdom. But wait, what did make you choose the name Radical 77? You not see another name. They call you Olaonekpekun or Shoba or Lagene. You don't give yourself Ola 77 or Ola Rad.
Waiting combi.
Waiting combi Radical.
Okay. I go explain now. Thank you for asking me. You see, that Radical was actually, I was actually nicknamed Radical by my mama. Now, because of the way we had to see things. You two, you did radical, no? You know, see all this way they... Yes. You know the trouble. You know the trouble. You did radical. Okay, man, I'll tell you why you did radical. Because now...
No, but on a radical. On a radical. So it's different.
No, the pronunciation, no. It's not different, no.
Okay.
Now, the same, you did radical. Because the way we see it is, okay, you know, see, you say radical. How they go name somebody radical? Because you looked extremely into that name now. That's why. See, the time where I grew up...
You know from Ghana, this man?
No, see, because of my skin.
No, I'm not there now for say thank you sometimes.
Miss, I don't understand that one. I make it break down.
I understand. You know,
Charlie.
You just say we don't go Ghana before.
We don't go Ghana. We get people from Ghana.
I love Ghana. I love the challenge.
No, but your mama, what did you make your mama?
Okay, make I explain now. You see, when I did grow up, right? Because I grew up amongst, like, you know, family members, like, you know, we get big
family.
Family.
How many wife your mama married? Your papa married?
My papa married. My papa married only one, and my mama had 14. Now typical African woman.
Hey! Now this kind of papa go house go don't call it. Yeah, Radical. Hello. Go and bath. Don't come when I come back home. You telling me you want to go and bath? No. Actually,
I'm a champion.
I bet me ask what number?
Which number you be?
Me, I be number
18.
No, I be number 11. No, sorry, number 13.
You don't even know.
No, number 13.
My brother, if you don't know how your papa go take no.
Why my papa no go no now? My papa na mathematician now.
Your father is a wicked man. Your father is a wicked man. 14 children.
You go come the woman.
The woman I want 14 times.
Now God's grace now. If the thing they come easy, no one now. God bless you.
Abante, you have money. Abante, you know.
Even me, when I started to do
from?
Abante,
how many you go do?
Forget to, I go have the own nation. They
make
tell
woman,
you
they fear this kind of person, no?
Nobody go fear me.
You want to give them 14 children?
Forget.
How God can bless you?
When God don't bless you,
machine gun.
Machine gun with every free now. You go waka now.
Anyway, but as you can't get your mark on Radical,
yeah,
who can give you 77?
You see, the 77 has got to do with something that happened to me.
Okay.
I was on a show some days ago, and I was asked. Actually, I did a song called About 77 because most of the time where I go on TV show, people they ask me, say,
of course now, your name
is cool and that's 77. But you know something? I thank God. You broke him down the other time. You say, now number of completion. Okay, I just break him down. There was a time in Naija we had, truck where they were cattle now. I want me over.
It didn't
kill me. Yes, I was pronounced Peme.
It kill you?
That was pronounced Peme. And I woke up, I thank God.
Nothing
that time when they say I die, I no die. I dey sleep because now me I sleep. Nobody say I die. And I woke up and I come on again. So that's why, and that thing happened for July 7. That is why that 7 comes in. And no, so for me, now part of me be July 7. Is me, now me. So that radical too, now me, now who I baby that. But my own being radical now, radical for positivities. No be say radical. I understand where you understand. No, you understand radical. No, but that radical way they talk. Like Boko Haram. No. Area boys go call them hooligans. I make it call them. Maybe sometimes they call them rascals.
Hooligan.
Or like yeah. But radical. Many Naija be radical.
My brother, your mind strong, your blood strong, your papa blood strong. For them children, nothing fit kill you.
Now by grace, now they move by grace, not be by race.
Now, how long you done into music?
Winning get for it.
Music.
You don't see in his.
Okay, this thing.
Thank you.
This thing where they here. Now, you don't see Wala. Okay, man, tell you something. No. Anytime where they work out for Naija, okay, this thing is my ID. Anytime where they work out for Naija, people they talk say that guy get Ogun. I say, what did be Ogun? But this one, why they run now? Why they run now? Why they run now? Why they run now?
See, I'm since I yours. You know. Now when you come, they talk this in 7. You lie 7. Now you be like say that thing.
Because he died.
That thing keep me alive.
See, Mate.
Come on now.
Now the juju when Papa do.
No, now why did juju? Now God's grace now.
I know that I said na juju. I thought say
we don't talk to you.
We don't talk to you.
I'm here. I hear the way they whisper.
You hear?
Why not go here?
Now make I ask you.
Na 3.
Now, why it be 3?
You know this guy they radical. You be
He
the
don't call me
same.
radical again. Oh, this your
Now radical be a now don't nickname
Oh,
you.
this your facing cap.
Make a comment.
Over.
Hey,
See, I'm 3. Only 3. And 3 days for middle, 3 days for back.
And the guy said he's radical. He don't talk. You see, they live up.
You know, see, they won't give you a woman and man. If you didn't.
Now, may I ask you one question again?
Okay.
May I ask you one question again? Since when you don't start music?
Okay, music don't date there for time ago, but I'll tell you, like, for the past 5 years, since 2011, for the past 4 years, since 2011, I never look back for music. I don't work hard from United Kingdom, like, for United Kingdom, thank God for the name. And we don't work hard, like, perform from 2011. I never look back, they perform for, like, big stage.
Now, then you start music.
Yeah, because I go up for there now.
Now, I know. I see them, they grow up there. Even in the code, now, what I'm saying is that when you start, they sing.
Yeah, you know.
When you begin say, I can sing, go.
That one don't date the time we are there for secondary school for Nigeria before I went back. Okay. That one don't date for there. But when I decided to, like, say music as a career, that one started, like, 2010 and 2011. I started, like, going on stages, like, performing.
So you go say you don't do music for like 5 years now.
5 years, yeah, now 5 years.
Okay,
yes, now.
Which kind of song you sing?
I just sing, like, me, I integrate, like, house music, indie rock, like, a lot of genres. Indie rock. You know, make you know my, I don't feel say how properly. I say indie rock.
Oh!
I integrate a lot into Afrobeat.
Indie rock?
Yeah.
Which one be indie rock?
Why no go know indie rock?
My brother, you are asking me. You English too much. You know.
No, why?
See, my brother, see, Radical, you not go blame us. We not go school. That we not go school.
Me, I remember you for secondary school that time.
We not go that because we not understand that English way they speak now.
So sometimes
you see the time why you see Radical now we see, but you can't call him call Radical. I don't know
exactly.
We will not speak that kind of English. Anyway, make I ask you another question again. Yeah. Now, with your kind of accent where you get, you see they speak Yoruba, they sing Yoruba for music.
Yeah, you know, see Black Gold and even Tabolo. Even Nigeria, I speak Yoruba now. Definitely. I don't forget my root. Okay. I go speak Yoruba to you if you want.
Yeah. So, but for okay, for UK, Yoruba, the UK, London, Yoruba community, I don't forget.
Yes.
Not true.
Especially get some special centers.
Like Peckham.
Hey! In other words, Southeast London.
Southeast London for Peckham.
Southeast London. All those ones. Hey, where Essex.
Backing. They speak Yoruba.
Definitely now. You both they speak Yoruba. They eat pomo. They eat.
When you say Ilford,
when you say Essex, then you person go look.
No. When you say Essex,
Essex. Where do you stay? Backing. Where do you stay? Elephant and Castle.
Elephant and Castle. Yeah. But you know something? Now everywhere Yoruba they now everywhere Igbo they now everywhere Hausa they.
Where for London you they stay?
Me I live for Greenwich and Peckham.
Only you want 2 places.
Now by grace now.
Greenwich and the
Greenwich and
Peckham.
Peckham.
the community of
And
brothers
they live
and
on
sisters.
Pt.2 for Greenwich. For Peckham, now the center. West Peckham, where they do all the
See, I see
magic.
they
I
say.
said, wait, area boy for that place.
And you know what? I
Let's anything.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.